After driving 800 miles by car and 30 minutes by plane to the middle of nowhere, we finally arrive at the cabin. With 1 week to fish, let's fire up those John boats, zip down the lake, let's catch some fish, let's do it. That was sick.
Nope, I got one.
There's fish. There's one.
Look at the colors on the beautiful gold walleye, or golden guy, vertical jigging. Not that bad fish at all, baby. Let's go. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today, as you can see behind me, we are in the beautiful country of Canada. Here it is, right here. Now, this isn't the lake that we'll be fishing. Let me give you guys what's going. Let me tell you guys what's going on real quick. Right now, we drove about 14 hours this morning, about 5 o'clock, and now we are staying the night at this cabin right here. There's 6 of us, and tomorrow morning at 8:30 a.m. we're gonna be getting in a plane somewhere back here. I don't know if you guys can see it. We're gonna be getting in the plane, and we're gonna be flying 30 to 40 minutes that way. We're gonna fly in on a lake with all of our fishing gear. They're gonna drop us off in some secluded area where no one fishes, like nobody is out there. And we're gonna be on this cabin for 1 whole week in the middle of the wilderness. Guys, it is so awesome. I've done this before. If you guys have been subscribed for a long time, you know you've seen it before, and I could not be more excited. If you guys are new here, hit that subscribe button down below. We just hit like 11,300 subscribers, so thank you so much for that. Road to 12K starts right now, so hit that subscribe button down below if you guys have not yet done that. We're gonna head down there at 8:30 a.m. We're gonna fly out. The next time you guys will see me is when we're getting on this plane. So I will see you then. Let's do it. Let's have a great trip in Canada. Let's catch some big fish. Let's have a good time. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Well, guys, as you saw from that last footage, I'll put something together to make it look cool, but we flew in. That's right, to this beautiful little cabin here behind me. As you can tell, guys, it is sunny out here. This is actually the warmest day we're gonna get. Guys, take this in. How gorgeous this is. This is absolutely unreal. Right now, we pretty much just ate some food, rigged up all the rods, kind of settled into the house a little bit. We got 3 John boats right here. We got 6 of us, so 2, 2, 2. We're gonna head out here pretty soon. Like I said, conditions look pretty good today. We got some wind on the water, but it is absolutely beautiful out here. Me and David are gonna take this first John boat, and I'll take you guys along the way. We're gonna go out there. We're gonna try to catch some big fish. We're trying to figure out, you know, what the bite is and what they're like in this trip. So I guess it all starts now. I'm gonna switch you guys to the chesty, and we're gonna get rolling. We're out here, baby. We're doing it. Let's go, baby. You got one? You got one? Is this first fish, Dave? Is this first fish of Canada? All right, bring her over here. All right, guys, first pass. This is first pass. Take your time, don't you? Oh, it's a nice walleye, bro. That's a nice walleye. Oh, that's a nice one, Dave. Let's go, baby. Guys, we found the wind, and guess what, Dave? How long have we been fishing this?
3 minutes.
3 minutes, maybe. First pass. We find a nice Walter. That's a beautiful golden fish right there. So we won't get the big camera out because we'll do it for like big fish. This is a nice fish. This is very well being eater here. So, and we're gonna put this guy in the stringer, and we're gonna get back in there and catch some more fish. I bet I'm there reeling. I have one. I have a fish. I have a fish. I have a fish. This is 3 minutes later. This is 3 minutes later. This is exactly where David caught that one. Literally, same spot, right? Yeah. All right, we're in Nooch. You know, I don't know how it feels because like I haven't caught a walleye in a while. It's coming up. Here, get ready. It feels kind of nice. It's definitely a walleye. Oh, another nice one, baby. What are we doing? How are you? That's a nice one. That's a really nice one, buddy. I was fixing the gyps, so my thing was sitting there still. That's a beautiful walleye. How's that look, Dave? Look cool?
Okay, go, restart.
Restart? This one right here, guys. An absolute beautiful Walter. Me and David, 2 spots right there. I mean, we're drifting down, but it's right. We'll just troll right back up. Wind's hitting this bank. The audio might be a little dusty, but that's an absolute beauty. Let's get a little measurement on her. Let's see here. This one's definitely a nice one. Definitely a good first one to, start with. 20 and a half, which is still like not even that big almost, but that's nice. That's a nice fish. So we can keep 1 over 18. So you know what? Should we just put this back because we're gonna catch more, I think. So we're gonna put this one back after we get a quick photo. We're gonna get some more. Yeah? Got him? Let's go, David. Let's go, bro. Let's go. How's she feeling? How's she feeling? All right, but that's another fish, guys. This is 3 minutes after I just released that one. That's nuts. Let's bring her on over. I'll get the net here. Okay, baby. David, hook it up. That's just a quality fish. What's going on, dude? That's a quality fish. This David with another quality one would bring her in here. I mean, this is just a quality fish. 19. That's 19 right there. We'll put this one on the thing. That's another eater for Dave.
Big.
We've been fishing for about 15 minutes and we are absolutely slapping them just like that. These are both days right there. We've got 3 on the day. All quality fish, which is great. Let's get some more, Dave. Let's do it. There's one. There's one. There's one. There's one. There's one.
Got one.
This one, not really. It's kind of coming in with me, Dave. So I don't know if it's exactly as big as the last one. It's kind of just coming in. Oh, this is fun. I can get used to this, man. Oh, we will. And this one might be another just a solid one. I don't know, man. I don't know about you, but that looks like an eater to me. That looks like an eater to me, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, this one might just be an eater, but not a bad one. Not as good as that. That first one was way better, but we're fishing 10 feet deep. We're fishing wind pushing us towards the bank. That's where the wind is where the fish are. I mean, as you can see, we have 4 in about 20 minutes. This is stupid. This is definitely our smallest of the day, so actually it might not be an eater. This is like 17 and a half, so we'll put this one back, but nonetheless, we got fish. We know where they are. We're not gonna waste your time. There she goes. Let's get some more. There's one. Oh, that was sick. I mean, it was just a pop. That was awesome, dude. That was so cool. I mean, this is awesome. Guys, I know it's rinse and repeat, but I mean, this is nonstop. This one actually feels like that first one. Oh, it's got some nice little shakes right there. Oh yeah, decent one. That's not bad. That's not bad at all, bro. It ain't too shabby. It's coming up. It's right there. Yes, sir. That's okay. Another one. I'm trying a new camera angle here. I don't think it's looking that well. It's pointing at me, but I think the sun's in a really bad spot for it. But won't get a length on this one. I mean, we're just catching so many. We can always go for our limit later. Absolute beauty right there. And off she goes. Let's get some more. There he is. There he is, right there. Yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, you betcha, baby. Let's go. So guys, I mean, you're watching this right now. We've caught, this is our 8th walleye now in like no time. We're gonna start keeping our limit, and I'm not gonna put every single clip in. You're not gonna see everything because we're just catching so many. So I'm gonna like turn off the camera, but then if we do catch like a nice fish here on out, I think I'll start to filter some more in for you guys, but it's just gonna be same old after every single walleye, just like this. And that's gotta be keeper right there. Oh, my lure's out. All right, not a bad one right there, guys. Actually, this might be on or just shy. All right, yeah, so this is actually the perfect keeper. So yeah, 17 and a half, guys. We're just going for our limit now, and then we're gonna go for pike. And then I got time before we hit the shore here. And then yeah, like I said, I'm not gonna put everything in the video. There's just so many fish we're catching that it's gonna get boring for you guys to watch. So when we do catch like a bigger one, and I'll get the big camera out and we'll get going on that and whatnot. There's one. There is one right there. This is just, come on. This is about 3 minutes after the last one. This one feels like it's got weight, but I said that for the last one. The last one's probably like a 16 inch or so. I really gotta watch what I say now. I clearly don't have a good sense of judgment of walleye. But guys, I mean, me and Dave are saying, we can't stress enough how, because for you guys are seeing those catches back to back, but we actually are. Like if we took all these cuts out, we caught all these fish in like 20 minutes. That's a nice one. That's a nice one right there. That's a quality fish. Okay. All right, so there's the walleye right there. Won't get the big camera for this. We're actually about to run some rod. Let me go forward. This right here, just another eater. I mean, can't complain about this at all. We're gonna put her back in.
All right, guys, well, that's gonna do it for the first video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. This one was super cool because hopefully in this video there's a lot of footage of, or a lot of B-roll of us getting onto that big plane and it flying over this lake right here, landing in, and you know, we're coming out, and it's such a unique thing, and I haven't seen a lot of that on YouTube, so I really did want to document that. and it feels great to be here. I mean, our first day here, it's like 92 degrees right now. I believe this is the warmest we're gonna get, but I mean, look at this. I mean, it's a little windy, which feels good. Bad for audio, but good for catching walleye, which means good for making content. I really hope you did enjoy this one. Me and David, we were trolling that one shoreline. Wind was on it, and that's key, and we were smacking them. It was no joke. Like 3 minutes in, then 2 minutes later, then 5 minutes later, then 3 minutes later. I mean, I can't stress that enough how quick we were catching these fish, guys. It was unbelievable. This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. I actually filmed 2 videos today, so you guys will see the next one soon, and that one's even better than this one. We caught more fish, believe it or not, more fish in a shorter period of time. I mean, I know you guys are gonna enjoy that one. So thank you so much for tuning in for the first episode of the Canadian series. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like down below and hit that subscribe button. If you're new, guys, we are at like 11,300-ish subscribers. So thanks so much for all the recent love and support. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.